What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's November, Black Friday month, and today we're gonna be touching on the Black Friday month deals that are available at your local Home Depot. Now, like I said, this is Black Friday month deals. I don't know if they're gonna have any specific Black Friday actual day deals. I don't think so though. It seems like the world's kind of going into a position where Black Friday runs all month long, right? So with that said, let's touch on some of the few items that I found that are just fantastic deals. Right off the bat, there's gonna be 4 kind of categories, and then we'll get into more detailing specific stuff throughout there. But these first 4 are amazing deals. I already partook in it and bought some stuff myself. So here we go, guys, let's check them out. Okay, so for this first category, again, it's 4 different deals, but it's from 4 different brands. So we've got Milwaukee, Dewalt, Makita, and Ridgid. And each one of these, this is up at the front of the store, the big banner out over the top, and basically what it is, they'll have like 2 or 3 kits available, and if you buy one of those kits, you get a free item from this big selection that they have below. So like I said, most of them you get a free item, but if you go with the bigger kit, that's a higher value, you actually get 2 free items. So I'm gonna pan through and let you guys see the Milwaukee deals, the Dewalt deals, the Makita and the Ridgid. But just so you know, I did take advantage of this deal. I needed more batteries for my Milwaukee polishers that I have. Again, I have the Dewalt polishers as well, but I have a ton of batteries for those already, and I needed more batteries for the Milwaukee ones. So they had this deal where you buy a 2 battery pack with a charger, $199 here, and actually says on the value side here that it's, if you were to buy this pieced out, it's worth $367, but regardless, $199 for the kit. Because I bought that, I was able to choose another item, and I picked up this M18 cordless leaf blower. And this thing is valued at 160 or 170 bucks, I can't remember exactly, but pretty good deal, right? Bought batteries that I needed for 200 bucks, got a free blower that's worth almost the same value. Now, I'll definitely be doing a review of this blower down the road. I've been using it the last couple of days, and I'll say it works really, really well. It's not quite as powerful as I would want for the detailing industry for actually blowing and drying off cars, but it works really, really well for getting water out of the tight spots. So I'm happy with it. It's lightweight enough, even with the batteries. So I'm happy with that decision to go with that as my free item. Okay, guys, so those 4 brands are doing some fantastic deals. Those are just great all-around gifts or things that you need. This is a great time to buy them. Kind of a general use, right? So now let's get into a little bit more car detailing specific. And what do we need when we're detailing cars, especially the larger ones? Ladders and step stools. So Home Depot is running an absolutely amazing deal on their Gorilla, the ladders that you can extend out. You can have them in a normal shape. You can extend them out so they're just really long. You can extend them even longer. They're amazing. I use them all the time. I do a lot of Sprinter vans. I need to access the roof. These things are phenomenal for it. And the one they have on sale right now is normally $219, and it's on sale for 100 bucks, guys, 99 bucks or something like that. So $120 off. Fantastic deal. Now they do have some more deals on other ladders. They have a 6-foot step ladder that is normally 100 bucks on sale for 45, so over 50% off there. And then they have a basic 6-foot, I think it's 6 foot, I can't really tell, little aluminum ladder. I don't know what the normal price is on that one, but it is on sale for 30 bucks. Now next up is another item from the Gorilla brand. It's their step stool. It's a little bench that you can step up on. Again, when I'm doing Sprinter vans and all that, this is fantastic to be able to use the length of the step stool to be able to get the size of the van, get up on the higher portions. Again, if you're just working on SUVs, this is a fantastic platform where you can get up and get on the roof. This thing is normally like 87, 88 bucks, and it's on sale right now for 50 bucks. Fantastic, fantastic little step item. I love them. They're lightweight. They're easy to store because they compress and fold all the way down flat. Really, really good choice, and I think definitely worth having. Even at the $88 price point, I think it's still worth having, but now that they're on sale for 50 bucks, go get one of those things. Next up, let's move into some vacuums, right? You need a vacuum when you're detailing cars, and they have a Ridgid brand, 16-gallon, 5 peak horsepower, wet dry vac that's part of their NXT line, which is their more powerful line, I guess. And it's a fantastic deal. This thing normally retails for $120 for the little kit with the hose and the filters and all that kind of good stuff, and currently on sale for $70. Now to go along with that, they also have a car detailing hose accessory kit. But big caveat here, guys, this isn't the normal one that I really, really like. This isn't the one that is a longer crush-proof hose. It's a orange-colored hose. This is not the one. This is, however, a 14-foot hose. It's just not the same one that I really like. This one you can still crush, but they do call it their car cleaning kit. And along with the hose, you also get some accessories, some nice crevice tools and all that kind of good stuff. And it is currently on sale for 25 bucks, or $24.88, I believe is the price, but right around $25. So good value there. For me personally though, guys, I still would I'd pay full price for the other one, the orange hose that's crush proof. That one is the way to go. This one's still that flimsier material where it can kink and all of that. So for me, if it was my choice, I would pay full price for the other one versus this one at a discount. Just my personal opinion. Now from there, we're still in the vacuums, but Ryobi has their battery-powered vacuum. This thing is part of their 18-volt 1+ lineup. It's a 3-gallon wet dry vac, and it is currently on sale for $79. Normally $99. This is a strictly tool only though. You only get the vacuum, you don't get the batteries. So if you're already a Ryobi person, you have a bunch of this 18-volt line of batteries, this may be a cool option for you. I've never personally tried it, but again, since Home Depot's got such a good return policy, it may be worth going to buy it, testing it out. If it's not powerful enough, just return the thing. But at 20 bucks off, it may be worth checking out. Now the next vacuum up is one that I actually purchased myself because I wanted to test it out, and then it came with an accessory for free that I've been wanting for a long time. I'll actually link these on Amazon for you guys as well. It's a fantastic, fantastic accessory for vacuums. I'm gonna be making a whole dedicated video on this item down the road. But this is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel. This is the 18-volt, 6-gallon wet dry vac. This thing is a 3.5 peak horsepower vacuum. Again, I prefer a 5 peak horsepower. Now that's kind of subjective. Just the horsepower rating isn't completely accurate on how much lift you actually get out of it. But from the Ridgid lineup, if it's got a 5 horsepower engine or motor, then it works really well. That's where I like it. This Milwaukee at 3.5, I don't know, but I figured, hey, it's worth trying. I've got the batteries now, right? I already bought more batteries. But this is a similar situation where if you buy that vacuum, you can choose between 2 different accessories for free. So there's one like dust collection accessory, and then there's these Milwaukee long tube accessories that fit on a bunch of different types of vacuums and hoses and all that kind of good stuff. So you don't have to just have it with the Milwaukee. That's why I was so interested in it. But these things are fantastic. Let me grab them real quick for you. So here it is, guys. As you can see, it's actually called their Milwaukee Air Tip, trade focused vacuum accessories, flexible micro hoses for hard to reach spaces. It's really cool. You get this one little kind of main cap that attaches onto a bunch of different vacuum hose sizes. And then all these are interchangeable, different diameters, different lengths. They're like, it's basically like a long PVC, or I guess it would be PVC, long clear tube that's really, you can get it to go into all sorts of places. I recently used this on a Tesla that had a broken window and glass was in a bunch of areas, and I was able to get in really and fine tune everything and get all the glass out. So I really, really recommend this. It's normally, it's definitely worth buying even without getting it as a free bonus if you don't get this vacuum. I think these are, it's either 40 or 50 bucks. I'll link it in the description for you guys. Really, really cool piece. Okay, now moving on to a car detailing tool that you absolutely need if you want to really maximize your efficiency, and that's a pressure washer, and they have the Ryobi 1800 PSI unit on sale currently for 88 bucks. I've done a bunch of reviews on this pressure washer. It's one of those ones, it doesn't get the most PSI and flow, but you can do a couple of things. You can just change out the nozzles to a larger orifice nozzle. It increases the GPM, or gallons per minute flow rating, drops the PSI so it's safe on cars. You can really get it into, I think, I'm trying to remember what my numbers were, probably around 1100 PSI at 1.4 or to 1.5 gallons per minute. So not perfectly ideal, but for $88, it's a fantastic choice. You can upgrade your accessories, you can start your business or start detailing your car with this and then upgrade later on down the road. And the good thing about this one is you can still keep the factory nozzles that it comes with, then you have a higher PSI unit to use around the house. Now another item that's going to help increase your efficiency and make your detailing work go a little bit faster, they have a 50-foot retractable air hose reel from Husky, normally $119, on sale for 89 bucks. So again, worth checking out there. I've seen some other retractable hoses that aren't quite as long, 35-foot ones or whatever. It's, in my personal opinion, at least working mobily, it's not quite enough a hose line length to really get the job done. 50 foot is where I would go. That's my starting point. I like the 50-foot size, and on a retractable hose reel, really cool. Okay guys, now the next item up is just more of a general shop use or a fantastic gift idea, but that is going to be 270 piece 3-drawer mechanic tool set from Husky. It says it's $545 worth of value. Again, that's if you're piecing out every little thing, not a kit. But I don't know what the actual kit price would be normally, but this is currently on sale. They have this thing offered out for $99. So again, I think that's a fantastic gift idea. Or if you need a nice tool set that has all your sockets and all that kind of good stuff in it for 99 bucks, that's a fantastic deal. And guys, last item that we're gonna be talking about here, this is a little bit off the path. Maybe a lot of people wouldn't think about this, but for me, I use these quite often. And it's just a soft kneeling pad. This one's from Husky. It's a nice density, and it's a larger pad than what I usually find. Usually I get them in like a garden center. They have, like, one of the ones I use all the time is purple, just because it was out of the garden center. This one's a nice industrial kind of black look to it. Looks really good. Like I said, the density is really nice, and I like that it is a larger size at $14.88. It's one of those things you may not think you need until you start using it, and then you're like, man, how did I get along without this? My knees are always getting beat up. There's nothing worse when you're working on a wheel or a tire or something like that, and you kneel down, and there's a little pebble that gets right on your knee, and it hurts. Having this, you toss it down, you know, keeps your knees going for longer, so I highly recommend that as well. Alrighty, so that is it. Those are the fantastic deals that I found at my local Home Depot. There may be more. I may have skipped over some. I walked around quite a bit, but if you know of more, please comment down below, share it with everyone so they can go get those deals as well. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please make sure to like the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Turn on that notification bell. I'm gonna be having a lot more of these Black Friday type videos coming up, so hopefully I'll be able to, you know, communicate a lot more value to you guys on these deals that you can get. So with that said, guys, thanks so much, and we will see you on the next one.